All right, so welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the Pepe community. Appreciate you guys for showing tremendous amount of love on a day-to-day basis. So yeah, let's waste no more time and talk about what's happening with Pepe and of course what is yet to come. So if we're looking at the markets going into Sunday morning, you are seeing the market momentum carrying forward. Now, Bitcoin is on the verge of breaking towards once again a new yearly high. Just a few hours ago, Bitcoin almost touched $80,000 USD. And we're already starting to see, the impact of Donald Trump being elected. And it's not just about Donald Trump being elected. It's more because of the fact that Donald Trump is, the president of the United States who supports crypto. And we have never seen in the history of crypto, in the history of Bitcoin existing, we've been never seen where you see a U.S. president talking positive about cryptocurrency. So again, a very exciting time, much overdue. And yeah, shout out to the people that were picking up the bloodbath over the course of the last few weeks, the last few months. Those are the real winners in my books. But if you're looking across the board, like I said, a tremendous amount of green. You're still seeing Pepe up 3.7% on the daily time frame. Looking at it on the weekly time frame, up 35.7%. But what's crazy to think about right now is Dogecoin is outpacing Pepe. And I know a lot of people are going to come out and say, why are you surprised about that? But remember, Dogecoin is the largest meme coin, and forget about meme coin, it's one of the largest one of the largest coin in the entire crypto space. So it being up 50% is not a small move. This is really bullish for the broader meme coin market. And we're starting to see that if you are a meme coin holder, if you have percentage of your portfolio into memes, I'm sure you guys know memes are going absolutely madness recently. So looking at Pepe, the price is currently sitting at 1142, still about 4 zeros in front of the price. Also up 1.6% in Bitcoin comparative. We're actually down about 0.5% in Ethereum comparative because Ethereum is also on the rise right now. About $4.8 billion is the market valuation, and the 24-hour trading volume is still, really, really high at about 3.3 billion to be exact. Looking at the holder count is currently sitting at 301,751 holders. So what's crazy to think about right now is I would say over the last 24 to 48 hours, whenever I made my last update, it's almost up about 2,000 holders. And that just tells you a lot of people are coming on board. And speaking about people coming on board, retail is coming. And me as a content creator, trust me, I see the ups and downs. And if you follow the channel during the times where there were a lot of uncertainty, a lot of people were just kind of steering away from crypto, I was saying, the ones that are actually here right now are the ones that are going to succeed most likely. And I'm sure if you are here from the last few months that were actually dollar cost averaging in, are having a smile on your face, and I'm sure about that. But yeah, let's get into it. Before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So if you're looking at the entire crypto market cap for meme coins specifically, $83.1 billion, and the entire market cap for the entire crypto market combined is at a staggering $2.8 trillion. Absolutely crazy to think about, because I've seen the crypto market, guys, I've been in the crypto space when the market was around $100 billion. And even I've seen it lower. I think 2016, to everyone that does their, Googling or, Chat GPT, whatever the case may be, pause the video, go check what was the entire market cap for the crypto space back in 2016. And it was around, if I'm not mistaken, around the $150 billion, but it was nothing. And now that we're looking at about a $3 trillion almost, it's just absolutely mind-blowing to see. And it's just feels like I've been here from the beginning to see the crypto thriving and getting the likes of a Bitcoin ETF, which of course is crazy to think about, especially to an OG. But anyhow, looking across the board, you are seeing tremendous amount of green. A lot of meme coins are up and feeling the love, which of course is really nice to see. Shiba Inu making some big moves, which is quite interesting to see. Usually, Shiba Inu doesn't really move, but thanks to Bitcoin and the dominance pulling down the way it has, Shiba Inu decided to break out. But yeah, guys, look at this. Bitcoin almost touched 80,000. So, we shouldn't really be completely shocked at the fact that, the broader market is going up. Yes, Pepe still hasn't seen the likes of the July highs being retested, which were around the 1302. But one step at a time, we do have that key resistance, which I spoke to you guys about in the past updates, still playing out. So Pepe is having a little bit of a hard time because this is a hurdle coming in front of its price around specifically the 1189 zone. If we're able to break out of that zone, I do believe the July highs could be retested. And of course, after that, I think even all-time high talks could begin. So a lot of exciting days ahead. But right now, I'm sure you guys are starting to realize the importance of that specific level. But if I were to show you guys the hourly time frame, Pepe is looking really, really good. So you could pretty much see a little bit of a higher high, higher low formation forming pretty much from November 5th low. This gives us a much better understanding where we're kind of coming across right now. And if this is able to break out, I do believe that Pepe does start heading towards the likes of these 1302 zone. And then after that, I think excitement really kicks in. But let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow up in Crypto ZX, and peace out.